Ay, let that beat drop. B-R-E-E-Z-E, that's who I am. Oh, they thought I fell off now, bitch. It's that new flow, new whip, new look, new swag, a brand new cool mean. Why y'all couldn't dream big enough to do what I do, you know? I ain't never missed a beat, ain't never missed a bag. That's why I beat up on my chest like the Hulk when I brag. You can Google most rappers and multiple artists gon' pop up. But Google me, bitch, bet I'm the only one to show up. I'm like Michael in his time, I'm talking Jackson, Tyson, and Joy. They tried to duplicate me, I catch them, skin them, and cut them. It's in me, not on me, little bitch. Grit, grind, hustle. We beat it straight from the M-Ho, 901.
Hello world, it's your girl iamBree-Ze. Y'all know what's going on. B-R-E-Z with the E, not the Y. And I got my girls in the building, period. Let them know.
What's poppin', y'all? It's Ray Stacks. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. Period.
What's up, y'all? It's Maya 2-time, like the do saying. What's up?
What it do? What it do? So we into y'all. We finna get y'all a remix to Put It On The Floor by Lotto, and it's finna go crazy.
Let go.
Get on the flow.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Let go.
Okay, it's 280. No catfish. This that real Memphis shit. She need not only no bitch, grit, ground, hustle. We be straight from the M. Was catfish off beat? No. Duplicate me, I catch them, skin them, and love. She need not only no bitch, grit, ground, hustle. We be shit, you could play if you want, bitch. You can get your wings split. Who ain't a bad bitch, but we on some gun shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Straight from the M-Ho, 901 shit. You can play if you want, bitch. You can get your wings split. Who ain't a bad bitch, but we be straight from the M-Ho, 901 shit. You can play if you want, bitch. You can get your wings split. Who ain't a bad bitch, but we on some gun shit. We can keep
like this.
Hey,
sound like a He said a little bit of joint.
Straight from the M-Ho, 901 shit. You can play if you want, bitch. You can get your wings split. Proof for the bad bitches, but we on some good shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Straight from the M-Ho, 901 shit. You can play if you want, bitch. You can get your wings split. Proof for the bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Ay, let that beat drop. B-R-E-E-Z-E, that's who I am. How they thought I fell off now, bitch. It's that new flow, new whip, new look, new swag, a brand new me. Why y'all couldn't dream big enough to do what I do? No, I ain't never missed a beat, ain't never missed a bag. That's why I be up on my chest like the Hulk when I brag. You can Google most rappers and multiple artists gon' pop up. But Google me, bitch, but I'm the only one to show up. I'm like Michael in his time, I'm talking Jackson, Tyson, and Joy. They tried to duplicate me, I catch them, skin them, and club. If she me not on me, little bitch, grit, ground, hustle. We be straight from the M-Ho, 901 shit. You could play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Crew full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Straight from the M-Ho, 901 shit. You could play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Crew full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Y'all ready?
Okay.
Do me like that.
She said you had to do me like
She like, yeah, do me like this.
Alright, so I'm gonna come in right there. Popping like popcorn, got hoes scared to come collab with me. Eat a rap hoe up like I be fucking up some KFC. If pussy eating, I ain't up on this meat, if he aligned to me. Put that shit out when I want it. You hoe try too hard for me. Talk up with your chest if you ain't scared. Let that Printz speak. Stomping on these hoes, I be killing bitches lyrically. How you wanna see me win, but you ain't never clapping me. Bitches being secret competition, but a fan of me. I can teach hoes the game for real, they want my recipe. How you say it's up and all you do is being rapper beef. You don't see me out cause I be hanging where the money be. Female rapper, huh? Alright, I'ma start over, but popping like popcorn, got hoes scared to come collab with me. Eat a rap hoe up like I be fucking up some KFC. If pussy eating ain't up on this million, he aligning me. Put that shit on when I wanna. You hoes try too hard for me. Talk up with your chest and you ain't scared. Let that Printz speak. Stomping on these hoes, I be killing bitches lyrically. How you wanna see me win, but you ain't never clapping me. Bitches be in secret competition, but a fan of me. I can teach hoes the game for real, they want my recipe. How you say it's up and all you do is being rapper beef. You don't see me out cause I be hanging where the money be. Female hustler nominees, who grinding as hard as me. Facts. That's 12, man. That's 12, man.
Goddamn right.
She just slid on that joint. Put it on there.
Stacks.
Don't play.
Shit.
Okay, how you say it's up and all you do is being rapper beef. You don't see me out cause I be hanging where the money be. Female hustler nominee, who grinding as hard as me. We be straight from the M ho, you ain't never clapping me. Ain't up on this million, he aligning me. Put that shit on when I wanna. You hoes try too hard for me. Talk up with your chest if you ain't scared. Let that Printz speak up. Stomping on these hoes, I be killing bitches lyrically. How you wanna see me win, but you ain't never clapping me. Bitches be in secret competition, but a fan of me. I can teach hoes the game for real.
Somebody else get on
Hey, whole lot of Memphis. Y'all know what's going on. It's Bre-Mix. We be straight from the M ho. 9.
Nope. Open.
Yeah.
I be in the cuts, I'm like a bomb, but I'm in the mix. I be talking shit, ain't got no motion, shit ain't making sense. Like it's just blue, I made a way and they ain't need a green. Bitches when they bought it, they look sick, and then they hit the swing. I'm from Memphis, where these hoes behave, but don't ever miss you. But I can't tell if that shit back to bitch. I can take some comments, so I get paid more than I pay attention. Fresh bus pipes, stood on their neck, that's how I clear the tension. Wait. A bone and pop out then put it on the floor. Oh, how you talk, you had to bring your friend. Step out in that field, this shit real like this ain't no paper tag. Put them in the corner and told that bitch that I don't play with kids.
Damn. Yeah. Work. Good work. Good work. Good work.
Come on, man. You put their ass in a corner. Oh, God. You don't tell me what you shut it off.
Cuss, I'm like a barber, but I'm in the mix. How you pop this shit? Ain't got no money.
Hey, give me that camera back.
Like it's just blue, I made a way and they ain't need a plan. Bitches where they bought it with their little stack. I done hit the square. I'm from Memphis, where these hoes behave, but don't ever miss it. I swear it's me, but I can't tell if that shit back to bitch. I be chasing honeys. I be in the cuts, I'm like a barber, but I'm in the mix. How you pop this shit? Ain't got no motion, shit ain't making sense. Like it's just blue, I made a way and they ain't need a print. Bitches where they bought it with their little stack. I done hit the square. I'm from Memphis, where these hoes behave, but don't ever miss it.
He ain't started it, folks. Look, I thought you were recording. We ain't record you.
What up, little sister? You good? Yeah, how about you? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Punching in.
One of a kind of release of doing. That's why my name be late. PBM 627 my set. Soft spoken must be my chest. Understand, I mean what I said. Pitch perfect, my image at that. So photogenic, naturally pretty, like what they see. Most of them not give me, say you 100, but show 50-50. No show her body, get you with this see me. Tone, chocolate, Hershey. Them bitches who like me. No claim me as your optive, you the only one that's hurting. I'm in the 10% of leaders. You ain't no field to be a worker. I make money to pop shit, you popping pussy cause you hurting. That's how to do with no dirt on me. Ears, that's what you heard of me. Cut up the beat like syrup, bring that one time.
Hold on a minute, y'all know what's going on. It's Bre-Mix. We be straight from the M-ho. 901 shit, you could play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Who full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Straight from the M-ho. 901 shit, you could play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Who full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Ayy, let that beat drop. Bre-Mix, that's who I am, ho. Thought I fell off now, bitch. It's that new flow, new whip, new look, new swag, a brand new crew. Meanwhile, y'all couldn't dream big enough to do what I do, you know. I ain't never missed a beat, ain't never missed a bag. That's why I be up on my chest like the Hulk when I brag. You can Google most rappers and multiple artists gon' pop up. But Google me, bitch, but I'm the only one to show up. I'm like Michael in his prime, Jackson, and Jordan. They tried to duplicate me, I catch them, skin them, and gut them. They shit me not on me, little bitch. Real ground hustle. We be straight from the M-ho. 901 shit, you could play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Crew full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Straight from the M-ho. 901 shit, you could play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Crew full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit.
Popping like popcorn, got hoes scared to come collab with me. Eat a rap, hold up like I be fucking up some KFC. This pussy eating ain't no promise me, you he align me. Put that shit on when I want. You hoes try too hard for me. Talking with your chick and you ain't scared, let that press me. Stomping on these hoes, I be killing bitches lyrically. How you wanna see me win, but you ain't never clap with me. Bitches being secret competition, but a fan of me. I can teach hoes the game for real, they want my recipe. How you say it's something, all you do is be a rapper be. You don't see me out cause I be hanging where the money be. Female hustle nominee, who grinding as hard as me.
We be straight from the M-ho. 901 shit, you could play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Crew full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Straight from the M-ho. 901 shit, you could play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Crew full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit.
I be in the class, I'm like a barber, but I'm in the mix. How you poppin' shit? Ain't got no motion, shit ain't making sense. Like it's just blue, I made a way and they ain't need a print. Bitches swear they ballin' with their little steak, I damn near had to squint. But don't ever mention Switch beat, but I can't tell if that shit fake or fiction. I be chasing karma, so I get paid more than I pay attention. Pressure bust pipes, put on they neck, that's how I clear the tension. Wait, hold on. Ho, go on and pop out there and put it on the floor. Ho, how you tough, you had to bring your friends. Step out in that field, this shit real like this ain't no paper tag. Put them in the corner and told that bitch that I don't play with kids.
We be straight from the M-ho. 901 shit, you could play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Crew full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Straight from the M-ho. 901 shit, you can play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Crew full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit.
Pass the mic to the bed, bar so hot, make a whole sweat. One of a kind, when you so do it, ay, that's why my name big legs. BTS 627 my check, soft spoken must speak on my chest. Pitch perfect, my image at that. So photogenic, naturally pretty, like what I see. Muscle not give me, say you 100, but show 50-50. Metro body, get hit with this see me. Tone, chocolate, Hershey. Dear bitches who larkin', don't claim me as your outfit. You the only one that's hurting. I'm in the 10% of leaders. You ain't no field to be a worker. I make money to pop shit. You poppin' pussy cause you heard it. That's how the with no dirt on me. Ears blessed what you heard of me. Cut up the beat like surgery. Get out of BBL, big lips and a fake weed.
We be straight from the M-ho. 901 shit, you can play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Crew full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit. Straight from the M-ho. 901 shit, you can play if you want, bitch. You can get your wig split. Crew full of bad bitches, but we on some gutter shit. We can keep it cute and classy, just know that we running shit.
Hey, everybody just run around.
What the hell?